Good morning, everybody. This is Aperture 22 RT. I'm with the regional director of Alpha Phi Omega, based here in Cebu City. So we are here at El Corso. Today is Sunday. Happy Father's Day to everybody. And I'd like to interview this guy, organizer who is the head. They have a very nice activity here for a coastal cleanup at El Corso. And I've met this guy, I think, twice or three times already in El Corso. Sir, what can you say about your activity here in Cebu City?
This activity of Alpha Phi Omega, we call it as a monthly coastal cleanup for a project by APO, which will be held every third Sunday of the month. And then since January until now, today is our sixth time to do this coastal cleanup, which as Mr. Ray observed from the beginning, we are only few, and now we are already around 60 brothers and sisters of Alpha Phi Omega Metro Cebu. And then this one is not only members of APO, but some brothers and sisters who are around in Cebu will join us to meet and help us to gather. Example of what frat sorority group, probably an affiliate of APO, sir. This project is purely Alpha Phi Omega members, but some members are from other provinces, like from Mindanao, from Leyte, from Samar, which they are also around today.
Okay.
And then our priority for this coastal cleanup are plastics. The most important thing, especially that there are sea mammals that they can eat or they can take these plastics. It's not good for them.
So probably you can say something to other APO members who have not been in this activity for quite some time, probably not only in Cebu, so that other APO groups in other parts of the country can do their own activity.
Actually, sir, the Alpha Phi Omega is doing this activity, the coastal cleanup, because we have the committee on environment, which we already practicing this for how many years, that everywhere in the world, even in Middle East, in America, Alpha Phi Omega members is supporting the environment, that it will be clean, especially from plastics.
Okay, so shout out, sir, to whoever probably with you in organizing this activity since the beginning.
The team here, I will shout out that it's always here, is the APO Alpha Chi. That is the University of the Visayas, that is sponsored today, and then we also the one that started from since
The first.
January.
Okay. So basically every like once a month or every second Sunday, sir, am I right?
Sunday.
Every third Sunday of the month, a certain group, a certain frat from different chapters will sponsor their activity.
Yes.
Every time they have this coastal cleanup.
Yes, because in 1 year we have 12 months, and then the chapter cell in Cebu is 12. That's why we assign every month.
Okay.
From the first chapter recognized here in Cebu, which is Alpha Beta. They are the one we started last February, because the main chapter, the main administrative region is the one supporting for January, which is the APO Sibar.
Okay. So thank you very much, sir, for your I would say social responsibility.
Yes.
In this coastal cleanup, especially in El Corso, where this is one of the biggest, I would say, attraction here in Cebu City, that needs to be cleaned regularly. If the government cannot do it, here is another group who can do the job, and which is the Alpha Phi Omega fraternity. And whatever chapter it is, the regional group headed by, I forgot your name, sir.
Edward Jr. Sinarosa.
Edward Sinarosa, who is heading this activity since February of this year. And congratulations to APO, or the APO Sugbo, and to all other chapters here in Cebu City for a job well done. And I usually come to El Corso every Sunday, and probably by the time I come here, they are also here, so that then I can see the development or the progress of their activity in this wonderful job a job well done by Alpha Phi Omega. Thank you very much, Mr. Edward, for the job well done, and to all the members of the group. And here they are. I have some brothers of Alpha Phi Omega in San Carlos, but I am not an APO member, but I am a member of the Chemical Engineering Society, a frat sorority in San Carlos way back in 1980s. So I can see the significance of their activity to the environment, and not only to the environment but to the people of Cebu. Thank you very much, Sir Edward.
Thank you.
And
We always be. And then I'm inviting also all other fraternities, if they can do like this, it would be good for the environment, especially in El Corso.
yes, thank you very much, and bravo, kudos to Alpha Phi Omega. Thank you very much, Sir Edward.